Battery of a smartphone plays an important role in smartphone specs and as well as in user's life. If the battery of a smartphone is faulty, then it needs to be replaced. But what if it is not damaged and working fine? And yes, the hardware of a smartphone is also alright. But the main problem is that the battery is still degrading faster than normal. So what methods and precautions can be done to resolve this battery drain issue? So to know about these reasons, let's get started. So before starting the topic and its solution, you can make a check that where your device battery is draining. There you can find the apps, services or system settings or any other thing which drains out the battery. So to make a simple check that who's the culprit behind the battery drainage of your device, you have to move to device setting and from there in battery option and now in phone battery usage option you can easily check that who's the culprit that is draining your battery. Now in this video we will talk about major reasons of battery drainage and we will also see that what are the solutions. So finally let's jump into the topic. So the first common reason for draining a battery faster than normal is the screen brightness of your device. Yes, if you set your screen brightness too high or at maximum, then this will drain up the battery of your device faster. Now the solution for this issue is that you can reduce or lower your screen brightness as per your need or which is suitable for you to interact with the device. Or you can also use automatic brightness option. By this, the screen brightness will automatically adjust itself as per the surroundings lighting condition in which you are. Now the second reason for battery drainage is the poor signal strength or poor cellular network in the area which you are living. This happens because the smartphone always tries to connect to the nearby tower in order to keep you connected. But if the tower is far away from your location, then it will try to connect to the nearest tower among those faraway towers. So this will make the device like smartphone to use much amount of energy to find out tower signal to keep you connected or to maintain the signal between the device and the tower. Hence this will make more use of battery and can lead to battery drainage. Before moving to solution, here we are considering that SIM card and the device are not damaged. That means they are working fine. You can check your SIM card by inserting it into another devices. If its condition is same as it was in your device, then the SIM card is not the problem. But make sure that you have inserted it in well functioning device. And to check your device for network, you can insert another SIM card in your device which is working fine. If the fine working SIM card shows the same condition as it shows in earlier device, that means the device network system is also working fine. So if device, SIM card and other remaining factors are in fine condition, then there are mostly chances that the problem is due to poor cellular network. So here is the solution for this problem. In setting option in mobile networks, you can select for better option as per your suitability. You can also put your smartphone in airplane mode if you are getting very low signals and your priority is to save the battery and not to make phone calls or to do any other activities which are done through cellular network. In between, if you want to know about airplane mode and eSIM, you can watch our earlier video on those topics. I will provide its link in description box and I will also put it in the I button so from there you can watch it. Now, the third reason for draining a battery faster than normal is the apps. Yes, you heard it right. Many times you use apps like YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook, News app, or any game app, or any other different type of app, and if you forgot to remove them from your device history, and due to which these apps keeps running in the background and hence keep draining up the battery. There may be chances that you might have removed the app from your device history, but it's still consuming up your battery. This happens because of background data, as it is using background data to keep you updated while you are not using it. So here the solution is that the apps which you are not using, you can remove them from your device history and you can turn off the background data of those apps from which you don't want any updates or you can simply uninstall those apps which you not need anymore. And meanwhile, if you want to know about the background data and the foreground data, don't forget to check out the above link. Now, the fourth reason for draining a battery is the hotspot, which is opened up for a long time. When the hotspot of a smartphone is opened, then the smartphone sends the signal to other devices so that they can detect and connect out to the smartphone. After the devices has connect to the smartphone, then the smartphone sends and receives the data from other devices. So here this will make the device like a smartphone to use much amount of energy and hence leads to battery drain issue. So the solution for this is that when the hotspot is not in use, disable the hotspot feature. And yes, if no one is connected to your hotspot and it is still open for a long time, then this will cause more battery usage. So to fix this, you can simply use an option called turn off hotspot automatically in the settings. By enabling this option, the hotspot will turn off automatically after some time when no one is connected to your device or when no one is found to be connected. Now, the fifth reason for battery drainage is the live wallpapers and the widgets if they are not well optimized, as they continuously interact with phone CPU to get the display updated and hence fall under the category of battery drainers. So, here the solution is that if you are using them, use those which are well optimized, or if you don't need them, then just replace live wallpaper with static wallpaper and remove those widgets which you not need anymore. Now the sixth reason for battery drainage is the Wi-Fi and the GPS if they are turned on for a long time. As if Wi-Fi is turned on for a long time, it will continuously search for Wi-Fi signals and hence result in draining out the battery. Now in case of GPS, if it is turned on for a long time and as it receives the signals which are coming from the navigation satellites to find the location, so it will continuously consume the battery. But not only the GPS, the apps which are not well optimized will also try to connect to GPS as it is enabled and hence consume out the battery along with GPS. So here the solution is that disable the Wi-Fi and GPS when not in use and disable those unwanted or not needed apps which are using GPS in the background. Now, the seventh reason for draining a battery is the huge number of notifications that comes in your device. As when notification is coming continuously in the device will continuously keep on waking, vibrating and making sounds, hence draining up the device battery. Now the solution is that you can turn off notifications from those apps from which you no longer need any updates.